Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. This is an idea that I had with the old Teeny Tiny Wishes, and I never did implement it. So, because I was working on my stamp and die storage, I got to Itty Bitty Greetings and thought, okay, I'm going to spend the time to make this happen. It's always been a pain to find the exact messaging that I want when I pull open the Teeny Tiny Wishes, and I just got Itty Bitty Greetings. So, here is what I did. It is so lovely. So I have both 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. This is 1 of 2, this is 2 of 2. I used my Brother Label Maker. It is a D400, PT-D400. It has 14 different fonts, so any label maker will do. I did my best to actually make the font. If it was a cursive font, I used cursive. If it was a double line font, I did an outline. And if it was uppercase, I did uppercase. So I tried to make them look somewhat like the fonts are. Over here on 2 of 2, you'll see there's a bunch of double row words, and I wasn't unable to actually make those fonts match. But I still think that it came out very well. And I have the 1 of 2 and the 2 of 2. Now, if you open 2 of 2, that's my only flaw, is it's upside down and you have to turn it around. But I think this is going to make finding my finding my sentiments way easier than it was with Teeny Tiny Wishes. Thanks for watching.